Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 34 says an advertisement method whose objective is to convince customers to buy a product is dash A. Informative advertisement, B. Persuasive advertisement, C. Competitive advertisement, D. Mass advertisement. The correct option here is option B. Persuasive advertisement. Persuasive advertisement. The word persuasive is derived from a word called persuade. Persuade, that is to make or to convince someone, not to confuse, to convince someone to go by one's position. Now, I want to talk of persuasive advertisement. Persuasive advertisement tries to persuade customers to buy a particular product as being different from others product or brand. They want to talk of informative advertisement is to inform or give information, encourage people about the product, tell them the use of the product, the good of the product, and about a new product of that same company, and so on and so forth. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.